Broadcasting Network. Buenos dias, Sela family. I'm Mrs. Buchanan, and today is Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. Happy birthday, Miss Doris. Happy half birthday to Miss Kilbride, whose birthday is June 9th. Wishing you both a day filled with laughter and happiness. Today is also National Brownie Day. Yummy! I see brownies in my future. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Our weather forecast today is a high of 55 with a low of 32, and lots of sunshine. Don't forget to sign up for CMSEs at home. Check out our Facebook page or Class Dojo for information. Or you can sign up at the web address shown on the screen. Staff, share some of your traditions that you have in your home. Send them in to Mr. Perez. We would love to see them. Que Pasa Sela is up next.
Good morning, boys and girls of Sela. I'm Coach Hamer. I'm going to be the new health and PE teacher for middle school. So a little bit about me. I'm from Williamsburg, Virginia. I graduated college from West Virginia University, and this is my first year teaching health and PE. So a little bit about what I do. Every day, in PE, we're learning new sports, and such as basketball or baloncesto, football or football americano, and soccer or football. And we also do different things to try to get our heart rate going and really improve our fitness, and so that we're building up our fitness and getting more muscular, strong, and healthy. So yeah, if you see me, if you walk by the gym and see me, that's what we'll be doing. I look forward to meeting all of you. And so if you see me in the hall, just say "Hola, Coach Hamer," and I look forward to getting to know all of you.
Second Harvest Food Bank donated apples to us, to our students. So, Monday, Tuesday, students already got their apples. They either got Golden Delicious apples or they got red apples. With Red Delicious apples. Golden Delicious, Red Delicious. Love them both. So, Monday, Tuesday's already got theirs. Thursday, Fridays, you will get yours either Thursday or Friday if you are in-school learners. But for our remote learners, we want to make sure that you get one too, a whole bag. So Thursday from 10 to 12, we're going to give these out curbside, sort of like curbside checkout, but it'll be curbside apple pickup. So that will be Thursday from 10 to 12 for our remote learners. So make sure you come by Thursday between 10 and 12 to pick up your apples, remote learners. Can't wait to see you. Francisco, your trip to Mexico looked fantastic. You must have had so much fun. I love tacos too, and mariachi bands. Hopefully I'll be able to travel to Mexico one day. I was born in Charlotte, so I've not traveled a lot. So I love learning about other countries and other cultures. Teach us about your culture. Teach us about your family traditions. Send those videos in to Mr. Perez at the address shown on the screen. Sela Junior Moments coming up.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
What do you call Santa when he stops moving? Santa Paws. What does an elf study in school? The alphabet. What do snowmen take when the sun gets too hot? A chill.
Why was the little boy so cold on Christmas morning?
The
Because it was December. Good.
Where does a snowman keep his money? In a snow blanket.
To town.
Riddle, riddle, riddle time, riddle time, riddle time. Yesterday's riddle, something that requires our mental skill to decode it, our imagination to understand it. Our knowledge is tested to its max. It confuses us at every stage. It seems easy, yet difficult. Only those who are used to it will get through. What is it? Wow. That one's seems like it's really, really hard, really difficult. So, you need mental skills, imagination, and knowledge. Sometimes it's confusing. Man, that sounds just like this riddle. Wait, what? This riddle? Riddles? That's the answer, riddles! We need mental skills, imagination, and knowledge to understand or figure out riddles. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're hard, sometimes they're confusing, and we have to figure them out and think about them. Riddles, that's the answer. Wow. Woo, that did take some imagination and some thinking, decoding skills. Today's riddle, I'm always in charge. I'm never in debt. I'm known as the first amongst all my kind. I'm found within cars, but never in buses. I'm not used in Mexico. I'm used in Palestine. What am I? It's a little bit of a longer one. I'm always in charge. I'm never in debt. I'm known as the first amongst my kind. I'm found within cars, but never in buses. I'm not used in Mexico. I'm used in Palestine. What am I? Good luck. So long, King Kong. Scoot, scoot, little newt. And a shake, rattlesnake. Bye.